first Smart Security Service Manipur branch was inaugurated at Thoubal by Commandant of BSF Battalion Wangjing, Hidam Subodh. Secretary of Smart Security Service Laimujam Pratap and Deputy Commandant Oinam Ibo Pisak were also present during the function. Vice President of Moirang CD Block E-Rickshaw Development Cooperative Society Limited, Hemam Somikanta, has expressed discontentment over the ban of newly launched e-rickshaw service at Moirang. The ban was imposed following an order issued by the Executive Officer under Moirang Municipal Council, H. Pradeep Kumar. Rafi Award for Best Playback Singer has been conferred to Moirangthem Sunita from Khangabok, Thoubal District by the Mohammed Rafi Memorial Society, Amritsar. Sunita is the daughter of Syam Sundar and Priyosaki of Khangabok, Sorok Wangma. She won a competition held on August 8 at Guru Nanak Bhavan, Amritsar. Helping Hand Service launched a sticker made by a US-based company, Daddy's Road, to prevent vehicle theft at Malom, Imphal. Managing Director of Helping Hand Service, K. Premjit, and several others attended the launch program. A 5-day student induction program concluded at Dhanam Manjuri Community College under the guidelines of University Commission at DM College. The program began from August 16. On the concluding day of the program, social scientist Dr. Dhanabi Laishram interacted with the students. 3 Air Force personnel were killed and 3 others injured when a truck carrying them fell into a gorge in Rajasthan's Barmer district today. 2 of the injured are in critical condition as per a report. The truck carrying 8 soldiers were coming from an Air Force station at Chauhatan town when it lost balance and fell into a gorge. According to report, police team rushed the injured to a hospital in Chauhatan, from where 2 Jawans were referred to Barmer. The centre, in coordination with the Mizoram government, is likely to set up 4 border huts along the border with Myanmar to boost local trade and offer employment opportunities to the indigenous people residing in border areas. The success of the border huts with Bangladesh in Tripura and Meghalaya has encouraged similar initiatives. The ruling Bharatiya Janata Party BJP in Tripura will have its organizational election in September, October and November next. The election schedule is part of routine organizational exercise to boost the party as announced in Agartala yesterday. Booth level election would be held from September 11 to 30, while Mandal level election would take place from October 11 to 31st. The district level polls are scheduled to be organized from November 11 to 30 next. 1 terrorist was killed in an encounter with security forces in North Kashmir's Baramulla district in the early hours today. According to reports, this is the first security operation undertaken by a combined teams of the Army, Jammu and Kashmir Police and CRPF since the 2 bills were tabled in the Rajya Sabha to annul the application of Article 370 that gave special status to the state and downgraded it to 2 union territories. Wildfires raging in the Amazon rainforest have hit a record number this year, with 72,843 fires detected so far by Brazil's Space Research Center INPE. The surge marks an 83% increase over the same period of 2018, according to reports, and is the highest since records began in 2013.